Next tramway back up to 7 Cross.
This stop is Elizabeth Street. Stop 5.
Mummy, just sit there and I'll stand up. Here.
Standing room only. Take a moment to hold on.
That's just the space to spark doing the light just went because the spark we hit the sparkling point. Where the fault tracks are, it sparks, so that's where the light's going at because it's hitting the sparking point.
Stopping at William Street. Stop 3. Change here for Route 58 and bus services along Queen Street.
This door's going to open.
This stop is William Street. Stop 3.
This door here. When we get to where 7 Cross, we go out this door here. You hold that out the window.
Not more than this. It's tipping.
Put your bag on the seat. What I think I'll do is open up the window to get a view.
If you're travelling beyond the free tram zone, touch on your Mikey now to ensure you have a valid ticket.
Go for the next stop anyway. Yeah, the next one's ours. Stop. I think this is here. Seven Cross is the next one, Mum. No, we're at the last, but we're getting off at the next stop. So I'll get up now, Mum. We're getting off at the next stop because it's 7 Cross Station. Stand up there, we're getting off at the next one. It's after the lights, we're getting off. These like the San Francisco cable cars, aren't they? But they open air, the San Francisco is all open air. These all just got doors and that on them. And these are not open air like the San Francisco ones are. So when the free tram zone, we ride in this area, but when we go out this way, when we get to 7 Cross, the free tram zone stops. But we're not riding further than 7 Cross, it doesn't matter. So we're in the free tram zone. I remember when I was a kid once, the man had to do the door manually here. The door was working right. A long time when I was here, the man they had an operator standing here doing the door switch in there to close the doors, so the doors weren't working right. Like the one of the doors wasn't working, I had to use the door operator thing there to close it and open it for the passengers. It wasn't opening and closing properly. They just flipped the switch every time we saw the stop, he flipped the switch to pull the handle and it opened the door. And every time we saw the stop, he flicked the switch back to close the door. These were built sometime in the 70s and the 80s. Oh, you're on there, but you were singing on another. You're on the tram behind us, remember? You were on the tram behind us, and we went on the one before you. Also, there's one
Stopping at Southern Cross Station, Spencer Street.
You're on the one behind us.
Stop 1. Change here for Route 11, 48, B-Line services, and the Skybus to Melbourne and Avalon airports. After the next stop, this tram will turn left.
Because you went on the tram behind us then, because me and Grandma on the one before yours, it was crowded.
This stop is